called I Can't Stand the Rain. It's an improver dance, 4 walls, 32 counts. So I'll break it down into 4 sections of 8 counts. No tags, no restarts. Woo, woo, woo. Right leg leads the dance into a jazz. So jazz right over. 1, 2, 3. Finish the jazz with the left stepping forward. Shuffle forward right, right, left, right, and rock the left, forward, replace. Section 2, step back with the left as you do so, sweep right from front to back. Step back with the right as you do so, sweep left from front to back. Shuffle back with your left, left, right, left. Coaster back with your right, right, left, right. And give me a big step forward with the left, long step, and touch the right next to the left. Section 3, you're going to tap the right out to the right side. It's a bit like the beginning of a Montre turn. Make a quarter turn right by drawing the right next to the left. Rock the left out to the left side, replace the weight onto the right and cross the left over in front. Step the right to the right side, left behind, side right, and then take the left over in front of the right into a crossing shuffle. Left, right, left. Last section, section 4, is kind of a hip bump strut. So we're going to tap the right to the right side with your hip bump and then put the weight on it. So that's like your strut step. We're going to do the same with the left, but we're going to turn a quarter left as we do it. So tap on the left, hip bump, and then put the weight on it, making that quarter turn left. Step forward right, make a half a pivot left. Step forward right again and make a quarter pivot left. Slightly overturn towards that left a little bit. That is the last section, ready for your right leg to take it over into a jazz box. So we'll do wall 2, start from section 1, jazz right over left. Cross, back, side, as I said, step forward this time with the jazz. Shuffle forward right, right, left, right, rock the left, forward, replace. Section 2, back left, sweep the right, sweep the left. With the left leg, shuffle back, left, right, left, coaster back right, right, left, right, long step forward left, and touch the right next to the left. Section 3, it's like the part of a Montre turn, so tap out that right, quarter turn right, draw the right in, rock the left out to the left, replace the weight on the right, cross left over. Step right to the right side, cross left behind, side right. Take the left over, right into a crossing shuffle, right, left, right. Section 4, you've got your little hip bump struts, tap right to the right, hip bump, and then strut down. Again to the left, make that quarter turn left, tap left, hip bump, take it down. Step forward right, half a pivot left, step forward right, quarter pivot left, slightly overturn. You've got your right leg free for that jazz. Right over, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward right, rock left forward, replace, section 1. Section 2, back left, sweep right, sweep left, shuffle back left, coaster back right, left, right, long step forward, tap the right next to the left. Section 3, that little Montre part, tap right, quarter right, rock left out to the left, replace, cross over, side right, left behind, side right, left over, crossing shuffle, left, right, left. Section 4, you've got those hip bump struts to the right, hip bump, tap, strut, make a quarter turn left, hip bump, tap, strut, step forward right, half a pivot left, step forward right, quarter pivot left, slightly overturned. You've got your right leg free for that jazz, starting the dance. Last wall, jazz right over, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward right, rock left, forward, replace. Back left sweep right, back sweep, shuffle back with the left, coaster right, long step forward, left, touch right. Tap right out, ready for that Montre. Tap right, quarter right, rock left out, replace, cross. Side right, left behind, side crossing, shuffle left over right, hip bumps, right and a strut, quarter left and a strut, forward right, half left, forward right, quarter left. You've got your right leg free. Now you can in the dance at the end, instead of that quarter turn, you can make it 2/8 because sometimes in the track the beat's a little bit more, it's a little bit more beaty at that point. So if I do wall 1 again, I'll show you what I mean. So if we start the dance with the jazz, right, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward right, rock left, forward replace, back left, sweep right, back sweep, shuffle back left, coaster right, long step forward left, touch right, tap right out for that part of Monterey, rock left, out replace, cross, side right, behind side crossing shuffle. So this is the last section. Tap bump, forward right, half left. So instead of a quarter left, sometimes the music's a little bit more beaty. So we can break it down into 2/8, so it's a quicker pivot turn and you can roll your hips with it. So it's a right, left, again slightly overturn, ready to jazz, right, over, left. I'll leave that up to you. You can choose which one you want to do. Before I leave you, I'm just going to do the timing for you, okay? So just one more wall again, off we go, jazz, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or that last part could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and right leg ready to jazz. Take care guys, hope to see you soon. Bye!